Oh, you got it? Good job. That's Portia showing out, doing what she does best. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Mr. Prime Time himself. Ladies and gentlemen, witness greatness happening right now. How's that shoulder feeling, bro?
Man, it's sore, but hey.
You gotta deal with it, right?
Do what you gotta do.
All right, man. If I hear a scream out here, man, I'm gonna come run, bro.
Hey,
all right, man. No. Come on, Torres. There you go. Yeah, I got 13 seconds. See the pain happening right now. Go ahead, Kyle. You got 5 seconds, and look what she's doing. 5 seconds left. 5 seconds. Time.
Taking too long, G. Let's go. Come on. Those aren't double unders. Let's go. Who's training who right now?
Uh-oh. You didn't get that, did you?
Yeah, I did. Let's go, team. 30 seconds. Almost done. That's how you do it. 15.
Yeah. Yep. There you go. A little bit of core work. There you go.
What's wrong?
I just had a burn, man.
You what? I don't know.
Man, where the yellow thing at?
Oh, you got 10 seconds. And
There we go. There's the loop.
3, 2, and rest. See, I like the.
Hey.
Five, four, three,